mahirap na pamilya. Ang ganun kong tanong, mahirap kailangan ng proof, ng ebidensya, ng pruweba. Mabuti na lang naalala ko po ang
May we call on ICCT Executive Vice President Ms. Vivian for Shielded Medal Art Runway, Mr. Alfred C. Sauces. Another awardee for bartending, Mr. Ryan Bator. Awardee for commercial